Alright guys, I wasn't gonna do this video today because I really messed with my face right here. I have like some type of cluster of pimples and they won't come out. But I figured even though I'm just gonna be in the raw and let you guys know that today I'm going to try the celery juice. Remember the lady from the microdermabrasion told me to drink celery juice every day, 16 ounces. Well, guess what? Your girl went and got a juicer. Let me show you. Hold on. Here it is. So this is yet again before my blender broke. I bought this juicer, not realizing that it was a Hamilton Beach juicer. So we're just gonna try it out and we're gonna hope for the best, because all we need to do is make some freaking what's called it, celery juice, right? Hold on. I'm a little nervous because you guys know I have gastritis, so I'm just a little bit nervous about doing this and it messing with my stomach. But it is currently Sunday afternoon and I figured why not? Let's see if it works, guys. Let's see if it works. I've been drinking a little bit more water. So let's go.
Let's go.
You want your juice?
Yeah, that's how I used to.
Okay. Lilo, give me the celery. Oh,
Where is it?
it's in there. Open your eyes, son. Open your eyes.
I want some of this too.
You want some celery juice?
I think I'm allergic to it.
Celery?
I think so.
Well, then you ain't have it now. All right.
What? Doesn't it help with
So we
pimples?
need, yeah, it does. But you have to drink it every day, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna give us a lot, but at least a little bit of celery juice is better than nothing. So, we're gonna do stems. We're gonna do stems and all, okay? So, let's see how much one stalk makes. Here we go.
This thing sounds cool.
You ready? Woo! Oh, wow, okay. Whoa. That's one. Woo! Can you get the camera, baby, and show it?
pretty cool looking. That's pretty cool. Is it thick?
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. Do it.
I'm scared. All right, take a sip first. You do it first.
Why me?
Just taste it. All right, you want to taste it at the same time? We'll do it at the same time.
Get a straw.
Okay. I'm scared. Okay. Hold on. Let's do it like right here. All right, guys.
I'm nervous.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Swallow it.
My mouth feels so clean.
Let's make daddy. I know. It does taste, it's like refresh, I can't even talk.
That
Refreshing.
is kind of weird. Yeah, it tastes like, that's, I want to take another sip.
This is something you have to like chug. Guys.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, because it tastes bad. It feels light, if that makes any sense.
Let's have daddy try it.
Right.
Grab the thing.
How does that make sense? I
Grab the
don't know how to explain that. You know what I'm saying, because you took a sip though, right?
I took a big sip, yeah. Here, babe. Try this. Anjay!
There must be something in the water.
You guys together. Come on. Wait, don't taste it yet. Same time. 1, 2, 3, go. The celery water.
I hate celery.
Huh?
Needs more water just to get
No.
be so celery.
No, I'm supposed to drink one of these, actually 16 ounces every
I think
day.
if you add some sugar to it, won't be that bad.
No, you can't add sugar. Because then,
Takes away the point.
you know what, if I like,
Add a banana to it. Allergic to it, I know it. You're allergic to it?
Yeah.
This is really strong.
alright guys, so, I'm just gonna finish. Split this with me?
No, my throat's already itchy.
Oh yeah, you're right. Go take some allergy medicine.
I don't know. I'm seeing this candy or something.
I don't want to do this though.
Show you got this.
I really don't want to do it, guys. I don't think I can.
Do what? No.
I don't think I can. It's making me anxious.
Why?
I don't know, because it's new to my body. It's something I don't eat, and now that you're allergic to it, I feel like I might be allergic to it, and what if it like bothers my stomach and I'm in like pain? Nah,
You wouldn't know.
it can't, because I eat celery. I eat celery. I do. I like celery. So it won't bother my stomach. But these are, if I drink all this, I just ate 3 whole celery stalks.
That's true. Wow.
It's just hard, guys. All right. Well, I'm gonna try to drink this throughout the day. But with that being said and done, I'm gonna say that a whole stalk, a whole thing of these, which at Walmart costs $1.56 for this whole thing. So if you go and do it every single day, that will probably make 16 ounces. But I have a surprise for you guys. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's not that it's terrible, it's just different to me. So anytime I put something different in my body, it's just me. Anyway, that's why I like postpone this for a while. I've had this juicer for ever since I came from the mycodermabrasion. And I told you guys, I went and I ordered it, and I got it for a really good price. So, dun, 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 I ordered 2. And so, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Here's yours, whoever is going to win it. If you want to try to do this juicing thing with me and try this celery thing with me, hold on.
Hey, Mommy.
Hold on.
Can I make apple juice with like 2 strawberries?
All right, so this right here is going to be one of yours. So what I want you to do is...
Wait, you got 2 of them?
Yes, I got 2 because they were a good price. So what I want you to do...
They're amazing, guys. I use this.
For apple juice. You probably will see.
Can I make one right now?
No, you're going to have celery in it. I have to wash this out. Alright, can I finish this? Please?
All I said was you could watch.
No, but don't interrupt me. I'm on a roll
Okay,
here.
I won't interrupt you.
Okay. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to comment below that you want to be into the giveaway. Alright, comment below if you are into wanting to start juicing with your girl, which I can't really juice too much stuff because I'm allergic to any like fresh fruit, which sucks, but not bananas and anything in a can I'm not allergic to, which kind of sucks. But anyway, I got this specifically for the, maybe I could do cucumber and celery juice, you know, things like that. Anyway, comment below if you're in and you want to be into the giveaway. And then what I need you to do is go to Instagram. I'm going to post a picture of this on Instagram. Then I want you to message me. And then you're into the drawing. And I will do this drawing on October 1st. I'm going to go on live and we are going to do the drawing to see who wins. So, alright, let's go over what you need to do. Again, comment below that you want to be into the drawing. Make sure you go over to Instagram and comment on the picture. And then I will go to my Instagram picture and choose everybody who went over to Instagram and subscribe over there and follow me over there, and then I will know, because it's really hard to like pick a winner from YouTube. It's hard, but if you like send a message to me on Instagram or underneath the picture, I can see all the people that commented, then I will put all of you guys, just comment that you're in and I'll put all you guys in the drawing. So with that being said, I'm excited. When I found this, I was excited. Hopefully this time Hamilton Beach does not let us down. And yeah, let's do this, guys.
Where's the allergy medicine?
Until the next video.
It's like, it hurts.
Uh-oh.
Every time I swallow, it feels weird.
You have the good kind. Where is it? This is just regular.
It's okay. But it'll be better than...
Why would you be allergic to that?
Always been.
Allergic to great. That's not one. Here. Open that up. Well, he's allergic to it, but thank God I'm not. I'm always allergic to everything. No, you gotta peel this paper off.
No, it's hard.
You have to peel this paper off. It's hard. Well, if it's hard for you, imagine how it is for me.
I have these long nails on, so... Let me see.
Yeah. Alright guys, so until the next video, good luck. We will catch you on the flip side. And happy juicing.
What the?
Angie's gonna do her apple now. She's gonna make some apple juice.
With some strawberries.
Apple and strawberry. Yeah. Alright. And you can make a lot with this juicer.
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot.
Bye guys, I'm babbling.
That my time, that my crew, that my clique, that my fam, that my set.